Introducing Tru Line's new S3 winder, a product that emphasizes safety, speed, and simplicity. The S3 winder is an economical, universal spring winder that also doubles as a spring anchor. It is compatible with industry-standard torsion springs and hardware such as spring cones and torsion tubes. By using the Tru Line S3 winder, you eliminate the need to use winding bars, which can be dangerous, tedious, and time-consuming. Some features of the S3 winder are speeds installation, compatible with industry-standard hardware and springs, doubles as a spring anchor, winds 1 or 2 springs simultaneously, works with standard corded and cordless drills. It is compatible with standard 1 3/4 and 2-inch springs and cones. Rated for up to 400-pound doors, 910 inch-pounds of torque. Meets DASMA standards, industry standard 3 3/8 offset, designed for 3 complete wind and unwind cycles, die-cast aluminum and hot-dip galvanized steel construction. Installation is simple. Mark a line for the bottom of the S3 winder, place the winder on the level line. Mark the fastener holes, install the lag screws to affix the S3 winder to the spring pad. Assemble the drums, springs, and other torsional-related hardware onto the torsion tube. Then feed the torsion tube assembly through the S3 winder. Then, if necessary, install the second spring. And then the opposite side drum. Slide the torsion assembly through the end bearing plate and position the drum tight against it. Then lock the drums to the torsion tube. Next, mount the spring or springs to the S3 winder using the supplied red-headed bolts. Be sure to tighten all fasteners securely. Measure for the stretch of the springs. For 7-foot high doors, it's the measurement of 8 coils plus 1/4 inch. For 8-foot doors, it's the measurement of 9 coils plus 1/4 inch. Mark the torsion tube for the appropriate stretch length for each spring. Stretch the springs and lock them in place. Now mark the cone and the S3 winder to assist with the number of turns you're going to add to the springs. Using a commercial quality corded or cordless drill, set it to the low speed and wind the S3 winder counterclockwise to the number of turns needed to balance the door properly. Once you've wound the springs, remove the locking pliers from the torsion tube. Check the door for proper balance. If more tension is needed, set the drill to wind counterclockwise. If less tension is needed, set the drill to wind clockwise. The S3 winder can be adjusted in quarter-turn increments. Again, test the door for balance. Once satisfied, install the locking bolt to lock the S3 winder into its final functioning position. So as you can see, the S3 winder lives up to its moniker of being safe, speedy, and simple to install.